lava, the slow, unstoppable destroyer. In 2018, Hawaii's Kilauea volcano erupted, sending lava crawling toward people's homes. It wasn't fast, but there was nothing anyone could do to stop it. You just had to watch as everything burned. In 2011, a massive earthquake off Japan's coast triggered a tsunami that traveled all the way to California. By the time it hit, it was weaker, but still caused $26 million in damage. Even from a distance, watching the water rise that fast is terrifying.
That's gonna come whacking right back up here if it gets under.
Over in Bhojpur, Nepal, the ground literally gave way. Within seconds, tons of dirt and rock came crashing down, swallowing everything in its path. Mother Nature doesn't play around.
No, man. No. Oh, man. ¿Qué va esto? Man.
In Kerala, India, a devastating flood wiped out entire homes like they were made of paper. One second there's a house, next second gone. In the summer of 2024, something terrifying formed over a Russian airport, a tornado. And not just any tornado. This one caused over $2,400,000 in damage. From the ground, the view was even worse. Imagine looking up and seeing that spinning toward you. Driving in a hailstorm, bad idea. These chunks of ice aren't just annoying, they're basically bullets falling from the sky. Every hit means another dent in the car and another painful bill for the owner. Sub-zero temperatures in Baku, Azerbaijan are rare, but when they hit, the city wasn't ready. Cars slid like hockey pucks. Imagine being on a boat and seeing a massive wave rolling straight towards you. Even watching this footage gives us chills. We can't even imagine what it felt like for the people actually out there.
Такие темпы, солнце.
You might not think fog is dangerous, but in New Orleans, it led to a 40-car pileup on a bridge. Six accidents, cars totaled, but somehow no serious injuries. Just goes to show, sometimes the most innocent-looking weather can be the deadliest. Some people dedicate their lives to chasing storms, and in this video, we get to see a tornado form right before our eyes. Just listen to the reaction. Over in Myanmar, human actions played a part in disaster. A water reservoir used for mining collapsed, sending a monstrous wave rushing down the mountainside. The destruction was unbelievable. Do you think water is harmless? Ask a sailor. The ocean can turn into a nightmare in seconds, tossing massive ships around like they're nothing. Just watch how these boats struggle to survive the storm. Over in Turin, Italy, two boats were literally ripped away by the current and sent crashing into a bridge. No human error here, just the raw force of nature.
È andata via questa. Oh mamma.
350 tons of rock. These Italian workers saw the warning signs and ran for their lives. And they made the right call. Just seconds later, 350 cubic meters of rock came crashing down right where they were standing. $1 billion in flood damage. In Genoa, Italy, non-stop rain flooded almost the entire city. The damage? Over $1 billion. The roads turned into rivers, and cars? Yeah, they didn't stand a chance.
Oddio, un disastro! Le macchine! Il fiume, vedi? Gente che cade. Il pullman da solo viene trascinato dall'acqua.
Guarda qua, ma come fanno a passare quelli lì?
Frozen solid in Detroit.
thankful for this.
In Dearborn Heights today, this team from the city digging, salting, cold weather crew showing off its teamwork that is making the dream work for Cheryl Fritz. That crew was pushing water and ice off the street. It is so cold, covering the cars instantly. And Cheryl tried to get out there to move them. Make no mistake, no defroster, no ice scraper was going to help free these vehicles from this ice. Dearborn Heights.
Freezing winds in Detroit turned an entire street into an ice sculpture. Cars completely frozen over. People couldn't even get inside them.
This is crazy. Their windows are screwed. Look at this. Jesus. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry for being late. This is unreal.
The sound of destruction. Ever wondered what a landslide sounds like? Watch this video and tell me this doesn't sound like a raging river. Over in India, people literally gathered to watch a bridge collapse after 3 days of non-stop rain. And guess what? Nature won. That moment when you realize Mother Nature doesn't care about your mortgage.
This is our house. Please save us before we float away.
Ever seen an entire town covered in ice? The strong winds from a nearby lake turned houses into frozen fortresses. Storm chasers get too close.
This guy's gonna get stuck. What are you doing?
In Brisbane, Australia, a storm hit so hard it looked like the entire city might get wiped off the map. These tornado chasers, they got way closer than they probably should.
Sent me texts going, you left me with a freaking out child. Get your ass back.
Well, you have another
No.
The last tornado I saw was on your farm.
I know. This is awesome. I know. I've got the camera on it.
And that's a wrap. Which of these disasters shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you love watching nature's power in action, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more insane footage. Stay safe, stay aware, and maybe stay far away from landslides and lava flows. Until next time.
Sigue corriendo. Hubo gente que salió despedida con los coches.